Hi guys, this is Mrs. Young. Welcome to my pantry. No judgment on how unorganized my pantry is right now, friends. But for this assignment, you're gonna need to go to your pantry and find something that has a recipe on the box or any type of packaging. Well, this is sitting right here. It's called Kodiak cake. It's 100% whole grains, power cakes, flapjack waffle mix, and it has some peanut butter. It does have a recipe, so I'm gonna show you real quick. So let me go to my office. All right, so there's better lighting. Okay, it says flapjack and waffle mix, and then it's got peanut butter, it's got nutritional facts on the back side, it tells you what to do. And on the side, it says power cake muffins, makes 12 muffins. 2 cups of this cake mix, milk and egg, and half cup of brown sugar, 4th cup of butter, softened, not melted, 2 ripe bananas, and a mashed, and an optional, 1 cup dark chocolate and 1 dark chocolate chips or chopped walnuts. Sound yummy. Okay, so what we need to do for this recipe project, not like the recipe project we had to do, very similar. But you don't have to write down directions and all that stuff, or don't have to include pictures and things. You're making a video of the actual packaging, showing the packaging, and then or possibly writing down all this original. I just wrote down literally what it said on the packaging, exactly what it says, and then I'm just going to double it. So I'm gonna show you like this. Power cakes, muffins. Make 12 muffins. Now it's gonna be 24. 2 cups will be 4. Okay. Are y'all looking it upside down? Okay, I'm just gonna look at okay, like this. Okay, that'd be better. 2 cups cake mix, 4 cups, and then 1 will be 2 cups of milk. 1 egg will be 2 eggs. Half cup of brown sugar will be half plus half will be 1. And then 4th cup butter will be 4th plus 4th will be 2/4, and a half cup of butter. 2 ripe bananas will be 4 bananas. That's it. So you can simply take a picture of your original recipe and with your double recipe like this and take a picture, or you can make a video like me, starting from pantry, walking, and then recipe. However you want to do it, you just have to show how the original became the double and show the work, okay? The only work that I'm looking for is if it is decimals and fractions like that. Whole number, you don't have to write down 2 plus 2 is 4. I know you know, so. All right, have fun, guys. Bye.